Next one, some more examples I will give you. Afterwards, we can go for the problem. Okay? So you can prepare the frequency table. Yes, next one you write. Page number 184. Page number 184. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So write the question first. Prepare a frequency table. Rice, chapati. Second question. What is the question? Prepare a frequency table.
Ma'am, you want to write in notes?
Ah, yes, you have to write in notes. These are some examples. Prepare a.
Ma'am, in which page are the questions?
Yes, prepare a frequency table. Rice, chapati, again rice. Someone is liking rice, someone is liking chapati, someone is rice, like that. You are asking the questions and you are collecting the information. Someone they told she is liking both chapati and rice.
Ma'am, is this notes?
Notes. Because you have to prepare the frequency table.
Continuation.
Continuation, there only. Rice, chapati, again. Somebody told both rice and chapati. Both rice and chapati, they are liking. How many members are there? Very few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 members are there. So what you are doing here? You are organizing the data. You can organize. First, these are the first one. You are collected the information, that is called recording. These are the data you are recorded and you got an information. First, A student, A like rice. Other student, second student like chapati. Again, third student, they told rice. Then somebody told both rice and chapati, they told. Like that you are asking and recorded the data. Okay. Next one. Finish copied the question. You can prepare the frequency table.
And the exercise.
Yes.
And the exercise.
Which one?
And the exercise.
It is not clear, Fidhel.
From the exercise.
Not from the exercise. These are examples. Afterwards, if you are understanding this, we can do exercise problems.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Yes. So what is the first steps to you? What is the first step you have to write? These are the information you recorded there. Already you recorded the information. And then you have to write what is the next step? You have to write the tally marks there. Okay?
Ma'am, can you share the screen once more?
Prepare a frequency table. Rice, chapati, rice. Both rice and chapati. Rice, chapati, both rice and chapati. These are the important items they are liking. So what is the first step you will write?
Ma'am, you are right.
Still you are writing. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished. So shall we start writing?
Yes,
What is
yes.
the first step?
Ma'am, choice. Then write choice.
First step you can write choice.
No, right.
Yes. Shall I rub it?
Yes.
You are having with you now?
Yes, yes.
Question. So you have to mark and go.
Ma'am, someone
Yes.
is saying no.
Seba is telling no.
No. Okay, I will tell. I am having that. You can write. Choice.
Rice.
Then next one.
Tally mark.
Tally marks.
Next one frequency.
Next one, you can write it as frequency. I'm writing short form. There is no place to write.
Rice.
So what? These are the, what are the choices here?
Rice chapati.
Rice.
Chapati.
Second option is they can take chapati if they want. And one more option is there. What is one more choice?
Both rice and chapati.
Both rice and chapati.
Chapati.
Both rice and chapati. So you can mark it. What is the first one?
Rice.
Rice. Here you should mark it one line. Second one, Arathya.
Chapati.
So you have to write here. Third one, what is the third one?
Rice.
Rice.
Ma'am, both rice and chapati.
Next, third one is rice and first one, rice.
Ma'am, second one is chapati.
Second
Then
one is chapati.
both
Third
rice
one
and
is
chapati.
rice. Next one, fourth one is both rice and chapati. Here you should mark it.
Both rice and chapati.
Again, rice. Again, chapati again.
Ma'am, then again
Both
Again,
rice and
both
chapati.
rice and chapati.
rice.
Now, what are the frequencies here? 3.
3, ma'am.
Again, 2.
3, 2,
2.
2.
2. Marked as a tally mark. And who is, what is the, what they are liking more?
Ma'am, chapati.
Rice.
Rice.
Rice. Equally liking items.
Ma'am, chapati and
Chapati and
both
both they can take.
chapati.
Because both are 2 each. Okay. Is it clear now? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No doubts.
No doubt. What you are going, what you are doing there? You are organizing the data. Organizing data means you are arranging in a table. Then what are your choices and how many of them are there? Shall I give the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the question of second?
Second one question I rubbed, I think, because there is
Ma'am,
no
can you
place,
show it again?
no place to write. Rice,
Ma'am,
rice, chapati, rice, both rice and chapati, rice, chapati, both rice and chapati. These are the options given. Okay, next one. Third question you write, size of the shoes.
Ma'am, can you say the page number?
Page number, this is on example. Page number 188. On example I gave how to prepare the frequency table. Or how will you? Next, third question you can write. How many students they asked the question? What is the total number of students they asked the question?
1.
No. First one,
Ma'am.
3 students told.
ma'am, first 6 students.
Yes, 2,
Ma'am,
3
first
plus
one-
2, 5, 5 plus 2, total number of students are 7. Only 7 students they asked.
Ma'am, you asked the first one or the second one?
Which one?
Ma'am, which question? The first one or second one?
First one I told, apple,
Ma'am,
banana,
Ma'am, that
orange.
is 7. That is
That
7.
is the first question. Next, third one, size of the shoe. Size of the shoes. Here also you have to prepare you have to organize this data. Somebody told that 5 inches. Then someone told 4. Someone told 7. Who is having 7 size leg?
Ma'am, maybe adults.
Adult.
Adult.
Adult also 6 only maximum. Okay. 8 also will come, I think. 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 7. These are the measurement of shoes.
Ma'am, are you writing the question or answer?
This is the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, you have to prepare the tally marks and you have to Right.
Ma'am, so the first one
Page number.
we have to write choice.
Page number 188. Question is not there in page number 88.
Ma'am, so we have to write first one choice, second one tally marks, then
Ah.
frequency.
Yes. First one you can write choice,
Ma'am, then frequency.
then frequency. Choice. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Because no place to write here.
No question in this.
Question is
ma'am,
prepare a
same.
frequency table or you have to organize this data. You are organizing or preparing a frequency table. What is the first choice? Fayaz.
Ma'am, can you say the number of the sizes?
Size, number of size of the
Ma'am,
shoes.
ma'am, I will read.
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
the first one is 5, then 4, 7, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 7.
5475555.
Okay, now you can write the steps as first one. What is the first step?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, first
Choice.
one is
Choice.
choice. Choice.
Second one,
Ma'am,
tally
tally
marks.
marks.
And the
Ma'am,
third
Four.
one, frequency.
Frequency.
What are the choices? How many choices are there?
Ma'am,
4, 5,
ma'am,
9 choices. Size
Yes.
4, 1 choice.
4, 5, 6,
Size 5,
7.
1 choice. Size 7, another choice. There are 3 choices.
9. Ma'am, only
But
3.
they asked the question to 9 students. These are size of the shoes.
Ma'am,
First student they told size 5. Second one they told size 4. And the third one they told size 7. Like that they asked 9 students they
Ma'am,
asked the
but-
question. 3
Ma'am,
plus.
ma'am, so we are going to take only 3.
Which one?
Ma'am, in this there are 9 measures, but we are in this table we are going to take only 3.
Only 3 because repeated, which are maximum chances, which are the chances they are having the choices. They can select 5, they can select the size of 4 or they can select the choice of 7. Okay, they can have 4 size, they can select no more choices.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Huh? Yes, any doubt? Now 5, where you will mark 5?
Ma'am, 5
One mark.
in the second row.
Second one 4,
Ma'am, again 1.
again 7,
Ma'am, 1.
5,
Ma'am, then again 5.
again 5.
Ma'am, again 5.
Again 5. So after the fourth one, you draw the line like this. Fifth one,
ma'am.
these are 5.
Ma'am, 5 is the arrow
Yes,
that
4.
is going up.
5 lines you have to, after fourth line you have to cross like this. Then you have to read it as here 2, here 5, here 2. How many students are there? 9
Ma'am.
students.
I didn't understand.
Which one?
Ma'am, someone didn't understand.
Yes, I will tell you.
Fayaz didn't understand it.
Okay. I will repeat and write it. So question, somebody they asked, Fayaz was not there in the morning. Some students, they asked the size of the shoes. So they told that first student they told 5 size.
Ma'am, then
Second
4.
student they told 4,
Ma'am,
7,
then 7, 5,
again 5,
5. Ma'am, 5,
yes, 7,
7.
5,
Then again 5, 5,
5,
5,
5.
Ma'am, 4,
Next one they told
4,
4
and 7.
7. These are the size of shoes they told. So you have to, what are the choices you will mark it? What are the choice of shoes?
Ma'am, 5,
Size 4 you
7.
can choose.
Sorry, 4,
Size
5,
5 you
7.
can choose. Or size 7 you can choose.
Ma'am,
And-
then it is tally marks.
Then next
Tally marks.
column you have to write it as tally
Tally
mark.
marks.
Can you show the question?
5, 4, 7, 5, 5, 5, 4, 7.
So for 4
Yes.
it is 2
Wait.
2 lines.
Finish now, question copied. Shall I rub it?
Ma'am, Aldous finished.
Yes.
Team
Question
finish.
copied.
Team finish.
So you
Ma'am,
can write it
also-
as, you can write choice here. What are the choice?
Ma'am,
Size of the
4,
shoes
5,
are
7.
4, 3 choices only. 4,
Yes, ma'am. 4.
you can
5,
select, or you
7.
can choose 5, or you can select.
Ma'am, so in that measure, there we can choose 4. Sorry, 3 measures. I think ma'am has some network issue.
Yes.
Technically.
Yes.
Can someone say the question? Second question.
Rice chapati.
The second question is the
Rolls is the host.
Yes, Rolls is the only the host.
the second question.
Ma'am is gone.
Chapati, rice, chapati, both rice.
Did anyone ask which is the second question?
Rice. Rice and
Say the second question.
Yes, the second question is rice, chapati,
Okay.
both rice and chapati.
Okay.
Rice,
Okay.
rice,
Okay.
chapati, both rice and chapati.
Okay.
This is the question of second.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
twice. Okay. Where's the missing?
Ma'am send a message in the group.
What?
Stay online because of some technical issues.
Yes.
Already online. all right. Class finish. We do control. 49.
$46.
450 time on left plus.
Hi, Rose.
Algo esto. Bla. Bla, 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 bla. Stands on.
Bala 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 ba.
People, please mute your audio. We can hear your voice. Your singing sound.
Bala bala bala.
Bitcoin. What?